You don't have, we can't have that. Is it because the human rights have been violated?
Yeah.
Is it because their fathers, their mothers have been abducted, have been missing? So they're not growing up in a proper way of them to grow up.
Yes.
They are growing up in frustrated ways.
Yeah.
They are mentally healed because of the system.
Yes.
They are mentally healed because of the violence they have been seeing.
Yes.
They have been watching.
Yes.
Imagine your daughter seeing you being violated with the government officials.
Imagine.
What's going in his head?
Imagine.
Do you know that child is going to grow up wondering whether
In this situation.
that's the way they have to be? Do you know that those children are going to grow up knowing that the officials are meant to violate them? So we are calling upon all freedom fighters. We are calling upon all freedom fighters in the world.
Yeah.
Our children are tormented.
Yes.
Our younger children in Uganda are tormented because of the bad governance.
Yes.
Our younger children in Uganda are no longer educated because of the violence are going on.
Yes.
Because their mothers, their fathers are being brutalized in their watch.
Yes.
That's being abusing even even younger ones.
Yes.
Young ones are crying,
Yes.
but they don't get help. Young ones are yearning to see a good country, to grow up in a good country. But why?
Why?
Because the government doesn't care about the younger ones.
Yes.
The only thing they care is about their family. I remember I saw Seven on the television being asked a question. What do you think about the country you are operating in?
Yeah.
He said he's not working for Ugandans, he's working for his family.
Yeah.
Imagine the person we call, or they call a president, going on a national TV saying it in the world and clear that he's not working for Ugandans, he's working for his family. That's why our children, our younger people are tormented.
Yeah.
It's not just because, it's not just in physical, even in mental ways. Each time, each day, they are watching killings of their parents, abduction of their uncles, abduction of their big brothers, and yet the UK are watching and doing nothing. We are begging you, citizens of the UK.
Not begging.
We are begging you, the citizens of the UK. Because if you join, I feel that if you join us, the UK government will hear us. I feel that when you come and talk and make a voice on this, your taxpayer money will not go in vain on abducting children in Africa. My concern is really now on younger people watching their mothers and their fathers being beaten under them. They go in the houses, you know, these military Uganda officials, they go in the citizens' houses. They took the mothers, they took the fathers, and they left their children there.
Allah.
Imagine that child is gonna grow up on thinking of what? That the so-called
Dictator, murderer.
Generals. Imagine the general, the so-called General Muhoozi, who is a general of the military in Uganda, making a statement that in his career he has done poor because he just killed 30 million people just, and he needs to kill more. Is that the way the military does? If I may ask, is that the way the military in UK does, or it's just Ugandan?
They should tell us.
Because we need answers from you,
Yeah.
the citizens of UK.
Yeah.
Is that the way the military works? Is the military of UK works like the military of Uganda?
Killing,
Just killing, and they come out and even they gave the evidence of themselves, and yet they have been traded from here. Is that the way that trains Ugandans military like that? We call upon you, come and join us. Come and make one voice to the government of UK to stop funding the dictator.
yes.
To stop the funders of tormenting to our younger people.
Yes.
Because our younger people are growing up in a difficult time, are growing up in a tormenting life.
Yeah.
Our younger people are no longer even having anywhere to sleep.
No.
You know, the government of Uganda, all the officials in the Uganda government, all the officials in the Uganda government, they just operate just like that, without care of other lives, without care of young ones.
Yeah.
So please, for me, I call upon the big televisions in the UK, because if you come and take this on your TVs, all the UK residents, they will be watching this, and they will be coming to join us and raise this together. ITV in the UK, I'm calling you. BBC, I'm calling you. Al Jazeera, I'm calling you. Government of UK, I'm calling you. And all Ugandans in UK, let us do this together. Let us fight this together. Let us demand together. And let us make human rights as it's supposed to be. We are all human beings, and we are all in one blood. Although we change colors of our lookings, but we are in the same blood. What we are suffering on, it might come to you one time. But if we are together, we can make our leaders accountable. Because even here in the UK,